This is why you need to pay attention to Scurry County, Texas. 103 earthquakes in just 1 week. Here's the scoop. Scurry County, Texas, shaking like never before. Over 100 earthquakes in a single week have struck this area, some as strong as 5.0 on the Richter scale. Buildings are damaged and residents are on edge. Experts say these tremors aren't natural. The likely culprit? Oil and gas extraction. When companies extract oil, they also pump out salt water, which gets injected deep underground. This process is believed to trigger these frequent quakes. The Texas Railroad Commission is on the case. They've shut down 2 deep disposal wells and are inspecting others. Their mission? To stop these quakes and protect the people of Scurry County. So, what's next for West Texas? Stay tuned, stay informed, and stay safe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for updates on this developing story.